Hi everybody, who turns crew to everybody who likes me, who watch me. I'm on Bourbon Street, and here's one man wanna tell you something.
What am I supposed to tell you? Something?
Tell you something for YouTube.
Alright, check this out, YouTube. Me and Bourbon Street are welcoming Russia to this land of the free. That was bullshit. I'm sorry.
Nobody gives a fuck.
Nobody gives a fuck. Whereabouts in Russia?
Alright, I just wanna make some kind of
Alright, take it easy.
Yeah, take care, man. All the best. Thanks for participation. What's your name?
James.
My name is Emil.
And you?
No, not Emil. Alright, Mr. James. My name is Emil. See you. Thanks for participation in YouTube activities. Anyway, hi YouTube, почему everybody who watch me. Today I'm on Bourbon Street making a video with some hurricane. Look at that beautiful drink. It's like some cherry, some orange little stripe. Hurricane is actually really delicious. It's very good. Now I'm gonna show you my friends from SFF. I like to get and stuff. Take a quick look on them. It's kind of dark right now. Soon midnight. Another part of the Bourbon Street. Hurricane is very delicious. My neighbor told me, go to Bourbon Street, drink some hurricane. So I did it. And I can tell it's very good. I would advise you. So I'm in New Orleans, as I said before, trying to have a good time. You know, night and drinking some hurricane on Bourbon Street. That's all I'm gonna say for right now. Just gonna relax, finish my drink and have a good time.